Why doesn't the gate unlock when the lift reaches the lower landing?
If the Protégé lift reaches the lower landing and the motor stops running before the gate unlocks, then likely the lift has not yet sensed that the platform has reached the lower landing. Check underneath the lift for any obstructions that would compress the under-platform safety pan and cause the lift to cease downward movement prematurely. Also, check that both platform gates are still fully closed, as the lift will cease movement if any of the gate switches lose contact.
Sometimes, an uneven mounting surface can cause the lift to falsely sense an under-platform obstruction, or open a gate enough to lose contact on one of the gate switches, and stop the lift prematurely. If the platform is all the way down, and the gate still will not unlock, it may be beneficial to adjust the lower terminal switch so it actuates sooner. This switch tells the lift whether it has reached the lower landing or not. The switch is located under the back right sheet metal cover near the top of the guide rail. If you still have any questions or concerns after watching this video, feel free to contact Ascension for further assistance.